Whether you're pushing the limits on the racetrack or monitoring performance in a high-demand industrial engine, your Type K exhaust gas temperature sensor, also known as an EGT probe, is a vital component for ensuring accurate real-time thermal data. While these sensors don't require a strict maintenance schedule, periodic inspection and cleaning can extend their life and preserve accuracy. We recommend inspecting your EGT sensor every 100 to 200 operating hours in motorsports or other high-heat applications. For industrial engines, follow your normal service intervals, or inspect sooner if you suspect performance issues. Start with a visual check. Look for carbon fouling or oxidation on the probe tip. Check for mechanical damage like bent or broken tips. Examine the sheath for signs of pitting. This could indicate overheating. Inspect the wiring for any frayed insulation or burn marks, and inspect the connectors for loose connections. If cleaning is needed, let the sensor cool completely before handling. Avoid abrasive tools like wire brushes. Instead, use a soft cloth or plastic bristle brush to gently remove carbon buildup. For heavier soot, you can use a mild solvent like isopropyl alcohol or a non-corrosive degreaser. Never submerge an open-tip thermocouple. Only closed-tip designs can be safely immersed in fluid. It may be time for a replacement if you notice inconsistent or inaccurate readings, physical damage to the probe or sheath, severe corrosion or pitting, or if the sensor has exceeded its max temperature rating, typically 2300 degrees Fahrenheit or 1260 degrees Celsius. Regular inspections help you get the most from your EGT sensor, delivering reliable performance where it matters most. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us at thesensorconnection.com. The Sensor Connection. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.